Well, the May primary election is this coming Tuesday, and Minatare residents are encouraged to attend an open house tomorrow to learn more about Proposition 1, the ballot initiative that proposes implementation of a 1% sales and use tax in the city. Supporters say the tax would fund essential infrastructure improvements, enhance community safety, and support downtown redevelopment projects. The open house aims to provide residents with detailed information about the proposition, allowing them to make informed decisions ahead of the May 14th election. Jordan Diedrich with Twin Cities Development explains the benefits for voting for this proposition.
Minatare currently has no sales tax. So when a visitor or a resident shops in Minatare, like the dollar store that they have there, they don't get anything from that. But if they go shop at Scottsbluff or Gearing, they're supporting Gearing and Scottsbluff. So the City Council of Minatare is very proactive. They love the community, and they want to try and grow Minatare. The downtown has a lot of empty buildings. Their stop signs and their road signs are very, very, very bad shape. They've been there for a very long time. Their roads need fixed as well, and then also code enforcement and safety. And so there's a lot of great things that can happen in Minatare. They just need the support to do it.
The Minatare Proposition 1 Committee is hosting the event, which will be held this Friday at 6 p.m. at the Minatare Community Room located at 313 Main Street. We'll have more news right after this.